Knock, knock. Morning, Brett.
G'day, Simon. How you going?
Good, thank you. You've had a busy week?
We have. Working on the big IVECO. Boys have been flat out all week just on your vehicle. I think they've pretty much crossed everything off your Christmas list. So yeah, hopefully all ready to go.
All finished?
All finished.
I'm so excited to see it, Brett.
Well, let's go and have a look.
Awesome. Thank you. That is crazy, Brett.
Yeah, I'm happy with the way it's come up actually. So it looks really good.
It's certainly got some presence on the road now.
Oh, definitely. I actually quite like the way it looks now.
Talk us through what you've done.
Okay, first thing we've done is, as you asked, we put these little LED Nava Explorer lights on the side for you, so they'll light up the side of the highway as you go down. These Ultimas, which we added the third one in for you, are actually great for distance and a bit of spread. So these will actually allow you to see around the corners before you get there, allow you to run a lot of light in the bush.
That nice wide angle.
Exactly.
And some new light up the top.
Yeah, so we've got your Nava light bars up on the top, the two of them, and we've mounted that onto our rack that we've built for you that you asked for, but also we've put gutter sliders in, so it's going to protect the side of the vehicle. It's actually there more as protection than it is for anything else.
Now the IVECO comes standard with a 180 amp alternator that's going to do the job, but what about the wiring for all of this?
Okay, we tested the amperage and the output on all of these before we put them on, and where we've needed to, we've actually put extra circuits in, so there's going to be no overload on any single circuit at all.
Fantastic. And lights out the back?
Yeah, definitely. Let's go and have a look.
They look fantastic.
Yeah, so as you can see, we've added 4 extra lights. Your 2 middle ones that originally came with your tray, which are for you to light up the back of the tray, but you wanted something that would give you a little bit more width out to the side. So we put the 2 top ones in pointing directly out to the side, so it lights up this whole area if you're camping or need some extra light. The big ones underneath will give us not only distance out to the back, so they'll shine a lot further, but they'll also give us a bit of spread off the back as well.
Perfect. And how do they look?
Oh, let's try them out. Turn them on.
Fantastic.
No point in being scared of the dark anymore.
Override switch in there, but also wide off reverse?
Definitely. So as soon as you pull reverse, all of these lights come on.
The rock lights as well?
Definitely, yeah. We've put 4 rock lights under the vehicle for you. So just come and have a look right here. They're just mounted underneath this front step on this side. So as you can see, we've got 2 here, 1 forward. Now they're directed so that this side actually lights up the passenger side and the passenger side lights up the driver's side. There's a lot of stuff under this vehicle with the transfer case dropping down. Everything hangs fairly low on that side of things. It's tucked up high, but for lights, to protect them, we've put them up as high as we can behind the steps. But they do work brilliantly. They'll light up everything under the vehicle for you and around your tyres. They're floodlights, so they'll actually shine out to here, so that when you're working off-road overnight, you can throw them on, you can see exactly where your wheels are and what's happening.
Brett, that is just amazing. Thank you so much. I can't wait to get off-road and test this beast in the dark. It's going to be phenomenal.
Oh, it will be. It'll absolutely be awesome for you.
And thank you so much, Brett. Really appreciate it. And you're going to have to come out on one of our next adventures.
Oh, definitely. I'm there.
All right. Thank you once again.
No worries. Thanks, Simon.
See you next time.
Mate.